Hello everyone, I am Orko. You are watching TechnoBroSA, and in today's video I am gonna discuss about Realme X3 and Realme X3 SuperZoom and answer your questions that is it worth buying? Should you buy it? But before starting the video,
subscribe to TechnoBroSA and do not forget to click that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
as per my research, I think that these smartphones are a much lower version as compared to the flagship smartphone launched by Realme, that is the Realme X2 Pro. Also, this smartphone Realme X3 and Realme X3 SuperZoom are priced above 25,000 and come under the category the flagship smartphone. But is it an upgradation to the real flagship killer smartphone launched by Realme, that is the Realme X2 Pro, which is also priced at lower than 25,000 rupees. Firstly, this Realme X3 and X3 SuperZoom has IPS LCD screen with 120Hz refresh rate, but the Realme X2 Pro on the other hand has Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, which is an advantage over the Realme X3 because being Super AMOLED, it is battery efficient and provides you a better viewing experience, and also the colors are actually the real colors. The black is perfectly black. Also, no under display fingerprint scanner available in the X3 and the X3 SuperZoom because it has IPS LCD screen, whereas the Realme X2 Pro on the other hand has under display fingerprint scanner because it is Super AMOLED, and the under display fingerprint scanner is only available for AMOLED devices. But Realme X3 and the X3 SuperZoom has side mounted fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, the Realme X2 Pro has 50-watt Super VOOC charging, whereas the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 SuperZoom has only 30-watt fast charging. Now, talking about the most hyped feature of these two smartphones, that is the 60x periscope lens. The truth is that up to 5x zoom the picture quality is good, but beyond that the picture quality breaks and the picture actually gets unusable. So I don't think so that 60x zoom is actually of any use to a smartphone. Not only that, Realme X3 and Realme X3 SuperZoom also compromised its audio quality because it has only single speaker and an average audio output. And not only that, the most important thing, that is the 3.5mm jack, the 3.5mm headphone jack is missing in Realme X3 and Realme X3 SuperZoom. Is it a joke, Realme? Is it a joke to you, Realme? So the real question is, why should I buy the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 SuperZoom for 25,000 rupees and 28,000 rupees respectively, when there is already a device previously launched by Realme called the Realme X2 Pro at much lesser cost than this, and which can actually be stated as a real flagship smartphone with a better display, battery charging, audio output and a premium build quality, not like the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 SuperZoom. So if you want to buy the latest Realme X3 and the Realme X3 SuperZoom, I would suggest you to wait a little longer because OnePlus Z is also coming in this price segment and it is a better smartphone than these two smartphones. And if you have any queries or want more comparison, comment down in the comment section below, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel TechnoBroSA and put the notification bell to all to never miss any update from us. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.